Welcome to my channel Easy Tulu, Learn Tulu language online. In the last lesson we have learned should have or must have sentences in Tulu. Today we are going to learn could have sentences in Tulu. If you have not yet subscribed my channel, please subscribe and click on the bell icon to get the notification on upcoming videos. Also please like and share this video if you liked it. Look at the following examples. You could have come with me. He could have done that work. These sentences are formed using could plus have plus past participle. This form is used to express that something was possible in the past or you had the ability to do something in the past but that you did not do it. The negative form is used to express that something wasn't possible in the past even if you had wanted to do it. In Tulu, we have to add the suffix oli to the past adverbial participle to form could plus have plus past participle structure. Past adverbial participle plus suffix oli. Example, baru means come. Batadu is the past adverbial participle. Batadu plus oli, batudoli. In spoken Tulu, it is pronounced as baidoli, means could have come. Next example, malpu means do or make. Maltadu is the past adverbial participle. Maltadu plus oli, maltudoli, could have done. Now let us translate these two sentences in Tulu. You could have come with me. In Tulu it will be Nikku ennottu baidoli. You could have come with me. Nikku ennottu baidoli. Second one, he could have done that work. In Tulu it will be A belin ayeg maltudoli. He could have done that work. A belin ayeg maltudoli. Normally this form is used with dative case. Let us see few more examples. Panu means tell or say. Pandu is the past adverbial participle. Pandu plus oli, pantoli, could have told. Please note that since it is a class A verb, da is pronounced as the. Next one, kenu means ask or hear or listen. Kendu is the past adverbial participle. Kendu plus oli, kendoli, could have asked. Tinu means eat. Tindu is the past adverbial participle. Tindu plus oli, tintoli, could have eaten. Jeppu means sleep. Jetudu is the past adverbial participle. Jetudu plus oli, jetudoli. In spoken Tulu, it is pronounced as jaidoli. Gubbu means play. Gubudu is the past adverbial participle. Gubudu plus oli, gubudoli, could have played. Kuru means give. Kurdu is the past adverbial participle. Kurdu plus oli, kurtoli, could have given. Detonu means buy or purchase or take for oneself. Detandu is the past adverbial participle. Detandu plus oli, detandoli, could have bought. Uppu means be. Itudu is the past adverbial participle. Itudu plus oli, itudoli, could have been. A means become. Adu is the past adverbial participle. Adu plus oli, atoli, could have become. Okay, now let us see negative forms in the structure. In Tulu, we do not have negative forms for could not plus have plus past participle structure. Instead, we use the word atandu, third person neuter past subjunctive form of the verb apini, as an auxiliary verb. Let us translate could not in Tulu first. To translate could not in Tulu, we have to add third person neuter past tense of the verb apini to the infinitive. Example, baru means come. Barere or barre is the infinitive. Barre plus ig. Barre ig could not come. Enku barre aiji, I could not come. Now change the word aiji to atandu. Third person neuter past subjunctive form of the verb apini. Atandu means it would not happen or it would not have happened. Infinitive plus atandu. Enku barre atandu means I could not have come. Let us see more examples. Po means go. Poere is the infinitive. Poere atandu could not have gone. Unu means eat lunch or dinner. Unere or undre is the infinitive. Undre atandu could not have eaten lunch or dinner. Telipu means smile or laugh. Telipere is the infinitive. Telipere atandu could not have smiled. Kalpu means learn. Kalpere is the infinitive. Kalpere atandu could not have learned. Okay, now let us see example sentences. Nikku ಪರೀಕ್ಷೆಡು ಪಾಸ್ ಆತೊಲಿ ಆಂಡ ಈ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ಬತ್ತಿಜ. You could have passed the exam but you didn't try. ನಿಕ್ಕು ಪರೀಕ್ಷೆಡು ಪಾಸ್ ಆತೊಲಿ ಆಂಡ ಈ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ಬತ್ತಿಜ. ನಿಕ್ಕು ಎನನ್ ಲೈದೊಲಿ ಆಂಡ ಈ ಲೆತ್ತಿಜ. You could have called me but you didn't call. ನಿಕ್ಕು ಎನನ್ ಲೈದೊಲಿ ಆಂಡ ಈ ಲೆತ್ತಿಜ. ಅಲೆಗು ಆಯನ ಮದುವೆ ಆತೊಲಿ ಆಂಡ ಅಲೆಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟ ಇತ್ತಿಜಿ. She could have married him but she didn't want to. ಅಲೆಗು ಆಯನ ಮದುವೆ ಆತೊಲಿ ಆಂಡ ಅಲೆಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟ ಇತ್ತಿಜಿ. ಅಕ್ಲೆಗು ಅವಳು ಪೊಕ್ಕಡ ಕುಲ್ಲುನ ಬದಲು ಎಂಕ್ ಸಹಾಯ ಮಲ್ತುದೊಲಿ. They could have helped me instead of just sitting there. ಅಕ್ಲೆಗು ಅವಳು ಪೊಕ್ಕಡ ಕುಲ್ಲುನ ಬದಲು ಎಂಕ್ ಸಹಾಯ ಮಲ್ತುದೊಲಿ. ಆಯಗು ಒಂತೆ ಬೇಗ ಬೈದೊಲಿ. He could have come little earlier. ಆಯಗು ಒಂತೆ ಬೇಗ ಬೈದೊಲಿ. ನಮಕು ಅಲೆಡ ಪಂತೊಲಿ. We could have told her. ನಮಕು ಅಲೆಡ ಪಂತೊಲಿ. ಕಾಸು ಇತುದಂಡ ಒಂಜಿ ಕಾರು ದೆತೊಂದೊಲಿ. Could have been purchased a car if had money. ಕಾಸು ಇತುದಂಡ ಒಂಜಿ ಕಾರ್ ದೆತೊಂದೊಲಿ. ಎಂಕ್ ಒರಿಯೆಗ್ ಮಲ್ಪರೆ ಆತಂದು. I could not have done it alone. ಎಂಕ್ ಒರಿಯೆಗ್ ಮಲ್ಪರೆ ಆತಂದು. ಎಂಕ್ ನೆರ್ದು ಬೇಗ ಬರ್ರೆ ಆತಂದು. ಟ್ರಾಫಿಕ್ ಜಾಮ್ ಇತ್ತಂಡು. I could not have arrived any earlier. There was a traffic jam. ಎಂಕ್ ನೆರ್ದು ಬೇಗ ಬರ್ರೆ ಆತಂದು. ಟ್ರಾಫಿಕ್ ಜಾಮ್ ಇತ್ತಂಡು. ಈರು ಏನಲ್ಲ ಇದಂಡಲ್ಲ ಎಂಕ್ ಬರ್ರೆ ಆತಂದು. ಎಂಕ್ ಹುಷಾರಿತ್ತಿಜಿ. I could not have come even if you had called me. I was not feeling well. ಈರು ಏನಲ್ಲ ಇದಂಡಲ್ಲ ಎಂಕ್ ಬರ್ರೆ ಆತಂದು. ಎಂಕ್ ಹುಷಾರಿತ್ತಿಜಿ. Okay, that's all we had for the day. In the next lesson we will learn may have or might have plus past participle sentences in Tulu. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please click on the thumbs up button below. Also don't forget to subscribe by clicking on the subscribe button to get notification on my latest video lessons on YouTube. If you have any suggestions, please comment. Happy learning and we will meet again in the next video. Bye.